Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video that is going to be for two things. First of all, we're doing the best of 30 days of sketches with Christy, and the sketch that I am doing is by Laura Rumble, which is Lottie Loves Paper, and then the Paw Your Way Into Our Hearts. So I'm going to take pictures of Asher Basher and then combined it with the sketch and put two of these all together. So I went on an oasis, like a thing of getting away from everywhere, because it was just a crazy year, right? So I've been talking about that, have been kind of candid about my school years and how that went, right? So in retrospect of everything, I just decided, you know what? I'm going to take a break. I want to, while my mojo was still there and everything like that going into the month of June, I just wanted to give myself grace. I know that you guys are always going to stay there and that kind of thing, but I needed to do this for myself. I needed to do it when I needed it done and not, just by the grace of YouTube, right? So we went over Father's Day weekend. We went and did a bunch of stuff. If you follow me over on social media, all of my social media accounts are down below. Go ahead and follow me. Or friend me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and you can see, my everyday life, plus, reposting on YouTube and things like that. And so, we went into the mountains. I finished a book. I did all of that fun stuff, and it got me regenerized. So here I am actually going to, instead of doing the stitching, I decided to take the papers and kind of make it just like it was there. One photo, this is of Asher Basher. It is at our old house that was out on Fort Gordon, and this was at the top of the stairs. He was waiting for mommy to come up the stairs, and I just took his picture. He has his paws sitting there nice and pretty, and he's just sitting there hanging out. And so that is the photo. And now look, the sketch, I have been told that this one needs to be talked about. So Lottie Loves Paper is the one that did this layout or this sketch. It was done by Laura Rumble. And this sketch series was done during series 6, day 25, when Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life used this. Now, full disclaimer, this is out on Pinterest. I have used this sketch multiple times already from this particular company because it is out there on Pinterest. So I will link it down below because I actually have this sketch saved into my Pinterest. So I will link it there so that you have direct link to this sketch so that nobody can say anything of the wiser. And of course, make sure they go check out Rebecca Lockhart as well. She did this one on the day it was supposed to go up while I was traveling to my little oasis into the mountains and whatnot. So I am combining my Thursday and Friday of last week into a Wednesday and providing all of it together so that I am caught up. I absolutely love this. Doing collaborations like this is the beauty of having good friendships and understanding, which, we all have our days and we all need to get away from the reality of adulthood because that's what it is. And so I am on my last week. When this goes up on Wednesday, I will have one more day of school and then that is it. And then I will be out working on my next school year stuff and whatnot. I got asked to help new hire orientation for my school district on technology. So I will be joining during the new hires, I think 3 days, 3 days. I think it's 3 days. So what I decided to do is that for the sketching, I am taking my pencil or my pen and doing the lines all the way through all of this and adding like puppies and stars throughout this to make it look like I did kind of the same thing as what is in the sketch, right? So that is what I'm doing here. This collection is called Doggone Cute. It is from Miss Kate. I was doing some research on trying to find other collections to use for dogs because let's just face it, there are not a lot of them out there. I already have the Echo Parks, the Photo Plays, all of that. And of course, they do tend to, you just need more, right? Like, I mean, I can only do so much with it and then I get bored. Hence the reason why it took me forever to do some more layouts with Asher's, because I'm like, well, what else am I going to use? Like, constantly my layouts are going to look with the same thing over and over. So I had to give it a break. So I'm kind of glad I did, because I found this collection and I really want to get more of her stuff. So what I'm going to do is that obviously I'll link this one down below, but check out her shop. She is a small business and I absolutely love her stuff. I happened to research and find it and it looks gorgeous. So here are the still shots. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day and I will talk to you soon. Bye.